Trying to save for a house in the UK while paying rent, childcare, sending money back home, and navigating the UK on a visa as an immigrant can be daunting and overwhelming, even for first-time home buyers. The good news is that you can still buy as an immigrant, whether you're on a skilled worker visa, graduate visa, or any other visa. Today, I'm going to be sharing 5 powerful growth hacks that can help immigrants and first-time home buyers save for a house much faster. When I came to the UK, honestly, I didn't think buying a house was realistic. I was renting, was working, and sending money back home to support my family. So saving for a deposit felt like impossible. But over the years, I've discovered a few simple things I wish someone had told me earlier that could have helped me save up for my first home much faster. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, I'm Jane Chizo. Everything I share here is based on my experience as an immigrant and a property owner in the UK. A quick disclaimer, I'm not a mortgage advisor. I'm simply sharing what really worked for me in real life with real bills, real responsibilities, and real challenges. And to help you on your journey, I've created an ebook with a planner and a workbook based on the exact step that I took, from tracking savings to organizing documents and planning for a new build. You can download it instantly after watching this video using the link on my Beacon bio, just where my YouTube profile is. So guys, let's get into the 5 powerful deposit hacks that change everything for me. So my number 1 deposit growth hack I used was the lifetime ISA. One of the biggest changes for me was discovering the lifetime ISA. When I came to the UK, I didn't know that the government really gives you 25% extra on whatever you save towards your first home. I used to save on a regular bank account, and then when I opened a lifetime ISA, suddenly things multiplied. So the second deposit growth hack I used was better savings account. The second thing that I changed was where my money was sitting, where I was saving my money. At first, I was just saving my money in a regular standard current account, earning almost nothing. As you know, the interest rate was really low, was like 1%, 2%, so it wasn't really getting anything. So I didn't know what a high interest savings account was even at the time. Later, then I moved my savings into a better account, earning 45% interest. What that did for me was that my money started growing without me working extra. All I did was to put my money in the right place, and this taught me something important, which is sometimes it's not that you're not saving enough, it is that your money isn't working hard enough for you. So get yourself a high interest savings account so you don't have to work very hard. The third deposit growth hack I used is my 90-day extra income push. This third hack changed everything for me. I did a 90-day extra income push. As an immigrant, you're already working really hard, but we told ourselves, myself and my husband, just 3 months, we gave it everything for 90 days. We picked extra shifts, we did small online jobs, we sold things that we didn't need in the house. We became more intentional with every pound that came in. So what that did for us in 3 months is that we added extra £6,000 to our deposit savings. That was the moment the dream became real. Buying a home didn't feel like a dream anymore. It felt like a dream that we were able to achieve. And the fourth thing that I did was simply freeing up more money. I didn't cut off things I enjoyed doing. I didn't do anything extreme. I focused on the big costs. Here are some of the things that I was able to cut off. Subscription that I wasn't using, eating out as often, expensive mobile plan. I switched to a cheaper one, pay as you go. And they only saved me around £300 every month, and that went straight into my deposit. And then I added one more thing. I sold off the children clothes. They weren't using the electronics, bags, kids items that were just laying around in the house. So that kind of made up a lot more money for us as well. So guys, use your eBay and Vinted and sell things that you don't need in your house, piling up dust. So go ahead and do them. You never know how much you're going to realize from that sales. The fifth growth hack will be for first-time home buyers who are looking to buy a new build, because that would come with extra support. And with new build, there are sometimes builders incentive like help towards deposit or fees, low deposit options with certain lenders around 5%, schemes like shared ownership or discounted for first home in some areas, or developers promotion as well, depending on the project, because we had that opportunity and I was able to get about £13,000 off when we're buying our new build. It's not every developer would offer the same thing, but choosing a new build made the process much easier for us when we were buying it, because we got some incentive off. So it wasn't just really about saving hard, but it was also choosing a type of home that came with a bit of help. So make sure that you explore that as well. Reach out to the developers to find which offers that's available to you as a first-time buyer. Okay? So those are the 5 deposit growth hacks that helped me as an immigrant and a first-time home buyer in the UK: the lifetime ISA, a better savings account, a 90-day income push, freeing up money and selling items, and choosing a new build with available offers and support. Like I said, I'm not a mortgage advisor. I'm just sharing the real steps that helped me go from I don't think that is impossible to actually owning properties in the UK. Whether you're on a visa, renting, starting from zero, please know it is possible. Step by step, it will all add up. So don't give up. And also remember, I've put everything into my first time buyer ebook and planner and workbook to help you navigate, buying your own property, staying organized, and tracking your progress. So, and also to understand the process quite quickly. So to get your hand in it, just, so go up to my YouTube profile. You'll see the Beacon bio there. I'm going to put it up on the screen so you can go and download it, so you can start learning and planning and getting organized, so that it will be much easier for you to get your own properties. And yes, so good luck with that. So guys, please, if you found this very helpful, please like, share, subscribe, put your notification bell on so you know when I release a video. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.